Magega yabarai ao boigo ebyombe byokwegerera obwene bwa mwanya bantu kugikeria bokongu obwiti bwa Albert Ojwang asegeta seni ky'abanyanyimbo nigo omokonyi bwa omonene bw'abanyanyimbo Eliud Lagat etigirie emeremo asegeka goika obotiki bwerire kobwatekana n'obwiti obwo egetambukere ekio ky'ogwetigia emeremo asegeka nigo giachire egekegeke magega ya Oyokabeire omonachi ebina omonene imeyense David Maraga kugikeria obwiti obwo asatebire abanene b'abanyanyimbo batatu Douglas Kanja n'omokonyo ye Eliud Lagat boigo omonene bw'abanyanyimbo ba DCI Mohamed Amin babekubyara nigo bare abakagerwa ase obwiti bwa Ojwang.
It is now evident that the Director of Criminal Investigations, the Inspector General himself of the National Police Service, and the Deputy Inspector General, Mr. Eliud Langati, are among and many other leaders blatantly lied on oath on the brutal killing of Albert Ojwang. That contradicts quite a number of the statements that came from the police service. We were being told that Ojwang hit his head against the wall, implying that he actually committed suicide, which is not true.
Chinga kiechio Maraga ni garuro kuboria guchasa abakenya kwa okoboko abasae ba agency abo barobereti guchigokora okorobekana chitariki 25 cy'omutyenyoyo eriko gikeria obwiti bogendete kwenekigwa imeyense asatebire ni gara chikobwaterana n'abasae abo asokorobekana uko.
To begin this resetting and rebuilding process, we demanded the arrest of the DCI because he lied on oath, and the IG, as well as Mr. Langati himself, and they be prosecuted, and those, of course, who are associated with the murder of Ojwang. To be clear, we support the efforts of the other Kenyans who have already petitioned for private prosecution, and if no action is taken, we will join them and come up even with fresh charges against them, and we demand that this be done on or before the 25th of June this year. If that is not done, we will formally come out and join those efforts and demand for private prosecution.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa aso mucho Nairobi erietariane Linet.